All rise. Judge Voluntarily Court is now in session. Judge, this is a case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today.
We're witnessing something you don't see every day. A father voluntarily put himself on child support. Yes, you heard that right. No running, no denying. He's actually stepping up. But don't be too quick to hand out gold stars. This case isn't just about responsibility. It's packed with drama, accusations of being a deadbeat, and a mother who didn't even bother to show up in court. Mr. Daniels claims he tried to do the right thing. He says he proposed, but instead of choosing marriage, the mother of his child chose the streets. Harsh words, and a personal story that's just as explosive as it sounds. Now, while he's riding the bench in the Arena Football League, he's trying to score big where it really matters, in his son's life. But the question remains, is he a genuine father fighting for his place, or a smooth talker trying to dodge accountability? This case brings it all. Hard truths, uncomfortable moments, even some unexpected flirtation in the courtroom, all under the watch of a judge who's clearly not playing games. Stick around. You don't want to miss what happens next.
And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in and, well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, you're third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the Arena Football League that I play in.
Let's take a moment to really think about this. When someone steps up and tries to take legal responsibility for their child, and the other parent doesn't even show up to court, that says a lot. In family court, presence matters. Whether you're the custodial parent or not, ignoring a court summons doesn't just look bad. It often signals a lack of accountability or interest in the child's well-being. And let's be honest, the moment one side doesn't show up, the balance starts to shift. Now flip the scenario. If it were the father who didn't show, would we be so quick to excuse it? Would he be given the same benefit of the doubt? It's a double standard worth questioning.
I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance.
Now here's where the situation gets complicated. The real dilemma. Mr. Daniels wants to provide for his child, but he's working with limited means. As a third-string player in the Arena Football League, he's nowhere near NFL paychecks. And that's a tough reality a lot of parents face. How you financially support your child when you're barely staying afloat yourself. But here's the thing. The court isn't interested in potential, passion, or good intentions. Whether you're catching touchdowns or just catching bills, child support is based on what you actually earn. So while Mr. Daniels may have his heart in the right place, the law deals strictly with the numbers, not the narrative.
I mean, she's not here, obviously, to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance. Okay? So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you saying?
And then, boom, we hit a moment of honesty that could have easily backfired. When Judge B noticed that Mr. Daniels had underestimated his health insurance by just $10, it might have seemed like a small oversight. But in court, nothing is minor when it comes to calculating child support. Every number matters. Every credit, every deduction, all of it is scrutinized. It's a clear reminder that in the courtroom, even small mistakes can lead to major consequences. Fortunately for Mr. Daniels, this one didn't hurt him. In fact, it worked in his favor. But not everyone gets that lucky.
Well, no.
Okay,
but I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama?
No.
Oh no, he didn't. Did Mr. Daniels really just try to flirt with a judge? This right here was the courtroom equivalent of texting your ex in the middle of a job interview. Completely inappropriate, totally awkward, and way off base. Bold? Sure. Smart? Not even close. But Judge Vonda doesn't flinch. She shuts it down instantly with a cold, savage clapback. I'm only available for my next case. Lesson learned, or at least it should be, flirting has no place in family court. Period.
Me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And that's a wrap on another episode of Support Court with Judge Vonda. But this case, it leaves us with plenty to think about. We saw a father step up while the mother was completely absent. We watched support payments calculated down to the exact dollar. And perhaps most unexpectedly, we witness a rare move, a parent voluntarily filing to pay child support. Why? To stay ahead of the system and avoid the nightmare of back pay down the line. Judge Vonda made it clear. Being proactive now is far better than being punished later. So now we ask you, was Mr. Daniels truly trying to do the right thing? Or was this just a well-crafted performance of Courtroom? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this case shocked you like it did us, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to go over what you all watched in the episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys. If you can do it, put yourself on child support. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support Court with Judge